Hello friend, I got so inspired by seeing these absolutely adorable creatures. This is like a mystery box, and they have 9 different kinds of vegetable themed creatures. Obviously I love the cat. I'm a cat person. What can I say? It's so cute. But oh my goodness, that bird is also so freaking cute. These all are like series 3, and I wanted to create my own version of. So obviously, you probably know what is going to happen. I ordered myself. I normally don't use money on mystery box or something like that, but once I saw YouTube video, somebody ordering these and showing, I had to go check, and I just love the theme and the vibes of what the creator has done with these. And Vegetable Fairy Season 3 is that full name of those figures. I at least on the video what I saw, those figurines are not too big, so when I'm crocheting I'm not sure how big my creation will be at this point, but maybe it will be like I would say 10 centimeters, maybe a little bit bigger. But I just wanted to show you how I create the first kind of leaf. This is going to be a cabbage themed. I love those cabbage and that cabbage bird in the cabbage dog. And I thought that because in real life I love to eat cabbage, so I thought that I would start from there. I have been doing these garden creatures few on my channel now, so I wanted to continue this theme. And I would like to hear if you have any experience buying these blind mystery boxes. I think there is a fruit theme also, and I only saw these vegetable themed ones, but I'm really curious if you have any experience of any of their products, because they are adorable. I just fell in love. Oh my goodness, that cat is so cute. I hope I get that. I just I don't know, it's been a while that I got obsessed this way. I ordered 3. Like I said, that I normally don't put money on these kind of things, and I might have a little bit of shopper's remorse. But let me know if you want to see me opening those and suggest me new ideas. I really enjoy doing these garden themed creatures, so let me know in the comments what would you like to see. And for now I stop bubbly babbling and let you see the final result of this one piece of the cabbage. And in the following next ones, I will probably just show you how many I did and what I'm going to create. So enjoy the video.